Hi guys, how are you doing? I just came on to say hi and to tell you I am going to be doing another Easter DIY, so stay tuned. Hey everyone, are you ready for another spring Easter DIY? Me too. I'm so excited about this one. Okay, guys, remember when we did the little candies and decorated them? You know the chocolate decorated Easter eggs? Yep, that's what we're doing today. So if you want to make some decorated chocolate Easter eggs, stay tuned. Guys, are you ready for another DIY? This one, I think you're going to love. Okay, you remember the candies that we made together where we decorated them? I made them out of plaster Paris. We're going to make chocolate decorative Easter eggs. You know the kinds you get in the box and it's shaped like an egg and they have the little roses on them? Well, we're going to do that. So with a skewer, you're going to go in, get your paint, your eggs, and meet me back over here for this fun DIY. I got out this cup and I think this will work just as well, just so it's something that holds them. And I'm not going to use this because I'm going to use this for a cake, the styrofoam, but anything that can hold this egg up. And that's why these skewers are nice, except these holes are a little bit smaller than the other eggs that I had. But I think it's enough to where it can at least hold them while they're drying. So let me pull back here. Okay. And let's see how we do as far as how these eggs take to this paint. If it doesn't take well, then we'll go ahead and gesso, because the gesso definitely will give it a tooth. As a matter of fact, I think I'm going to go get the gesso and let's do that, because I have a feeling this is so shiny that it's going to take coat after coat, where the gesso it won't. So hold on. Okay, I went and got my gesso. So you don't mind getting your hands dirty or painty. Yeah, this will work better. And then that paint will adhere to this a lot better. There is a way that you can make these holes bigger. What I've done before is I've taken a big nail and I've held it over the stove and made it really hot, and then I go into these holes and it makes them bigger. Now, let me do a disclosure here. If there's any young kids, do not do this without a parent's supervision, or anyone that is a little afraid of doing something like that, don't, because the nail could get hot. I'm just telling you what I did. I'm not telling you to do it. Once this gesso dries, I'm going to go ahead and do that method I told you, because I want to get these on the skewer because it's going to be so much easier to work with. As soon as these dry, I'll be back and I'll get the holes made a little bit bigger, and then we'll paint them the burnt umber. Okay guys, what I did is I took this fondue you know, stick, and I heated it up. But you know what, you don't even have to do that, because if you get the eggs from Hobby Lobby, the hole in the bottom, if you stick anything sharp through it, you can make it bigger. It's soft enough to where you can make it bigger. So here's a little FYI. Okay, this is almost dried, so I am going to try paint sticks to this. Look at that, guys. Yeah, the gesso definitely helped. It'll take 2 coats. That's okay. And be patient about it drying first, the first coat, because if not, it's going to peel right up the paint that you're painting the second coat. If it's not really, really dry, it's going to peel up. Oh, these are going to be cute. You guys, you could make a bouquet. Maybe I'll make a little bouquet with them. Wouldn't that be cute? Or just to put down on a plate on your hutch or in your kitchen. But look. Okay, I'm going to paint the rest of these, let them dry, do a second coat, and then I'll be back. Okay, let's do one of these little ones now. Now that we've done the big one. Sometimes when you wet the tip a little bit, it'll drop the spackle a little bit easier. I like that ruffly look. I think it's so Victorian. That's pretty. Just play around with it. Do whatever you want, you know. Let's do a little bit of mauve in here. Or orchid, whatever it is. So there's that one. Isn't that pretty? Okay guys, I just wanted to show you this one that I did. So you can do these all different ways. You could go on and on with it. So I just wanted to show you that one. And I'll be back to show you all of them together.